Hi guys, this guy is going to show you how to talk while burp. He's going to tell you what's called, what are you doing, how are you, I'm burping and burp.
How are you? What I am doing? I am burping.
Thanks for watching. Please rate, like and subscribe. Thanks.